Hello, welcome back. We're on the Matic chart, obviously, and it's not looking too good. The way that it's working here is that Bitcoin is making huge leaps, huge leaps, and the way that's possible is for people to take their money out of alts and basically not invest in alts at all. Putting it all into Bitcoin, pushing it right up, actually up to 13 overnight. Yesterday I thought that bull trend was going to continue, but I didn't think that it was going to continue to 13. I'm actually quite surprised. We had a rejection at 13, significant one, but we are Bitcoin is actually trying to make its way back up to 13 again. So we'll have to see where we go. Completely underestimate Bitcoin. I have done from the start. I mean, I am involved in it, so I'm pleased with that. But I had no idea it was going to make these kind of moves all the way. I mean, this is one hell of a recovery, to be honest with you, that it's going through. And what I'd do is I actually put that down to the fact that the crypto market's so much more accessible now than it used to be, and anybody and everybody is actually pouring their money into it pretty easily. I mean, you can just set up an account. You don't even need to verify it these days. You can start putting money into it. So don't underestimate the Bitcoin. However, I do believe that Bitcoin is becoming slightly overstretched and is due for that retracement. But I'm not gonna be able to put a figure on that for you at the moment. It could completely go crazy. I don't even see why it couldn't make it up to 14 or 15 at this point, and the rate it's going, before it falls back down into itself. Anyway, let's cut to the chase. So Matic, yep, we're beneath both those supports. We've fallen to a new actual low, a new all-time, well, not all-time low, but recent low of 1.756. Our previous low was just under 1.8. We've found a bounce from there. We are sort of bouncing up. The MACD says that we've got plenty of room to fall lower. The RSI sort of saying that we're in a critical oversold area, and it's actually sort of helping us buy back at this point. But if Bitcoin continues the way it's going, it's probably going to keep us on this downward trend. We are underneath all the moving averages as well, which is not great at all. So I don't see why this bearish move won't continue further and to make new lows. Obviously, the Satoshi levels have been completely demolished because obviously Bitcoin is going so high and Matic is going so low. So it's not looking great. We've got to hold on to the end of the month when those new Matic updates are launched. That should help a little bit. But really, the way it's looking now is bearish, I'm afraid. Along with a lot of the other altcoins, they're all looking bearish as their money gets drained out. Doesn't mean that we can't sort of reverse this trend, even in this kind of market. But what we really need is for Matic to start to release good news and good technology to help boost it up, which it will do. But right now, this is a sad day for it. Probably going to be a sad week for it, to be honest with you, because no doubt when Bitcoin actually does pull back, Matic will suffer a little bit from that, and it's only from that pullback that Matic should be able to start to build upon a new base, and then we can pick up where we left off. Right now, our support is right here where we are now. We'll just call it 1.8 cents. Anyway, on another note, I wouldn't call this guy a hater, but I just have to get it on record. I got a message this morning from this guy, where is it, saying that I'm deleting his comments. Gold Lion, I just had a little whiz through some of my videos, and I'm not deleting your comments, mate. I know you said, back to 110 sats, if not lower. If I play to you, I mean, you're right. Why would I delete your comments, mate? That's not me, alright? So I just thought I'd get this on record, but just in case you deleted them, because you said that I'm deleting your comments and it's making my channel look bad. Look, comment all you like. Anyone can say whatever they like. I'm not going to delete comments. I'm not one of those kind of people. Don't go accusing me of stuff that I haven't done. I mean, come on, mate. Let's at least check your history before you start making accusations about that. I mean, that's all I've got to say about that. Anyway. Thanks for watching, and I hope you continue to watch, and hopefully Matic will have a better day than today. Alright, thank you. Take it easy. Goodbye.